My name is Emma Goff. I own the Clean & Fairy Limited. We are a cleaning company based in Consett, County Durham. We currently employ 15 plus members of staff. I started off as just me and some black and white leaflets that I printed, delivering around local houses in my local area. It grew to the point that I had to get help. Yes, I can clean, I'm a very good cleaner, but I didn't know how to run a business. I didn't know where to start. I didn't know what to do with staff or how to employ staff and all of the logistics that come with staff. I started talking to other businesses, and that's when I got introduced to the NBSL. And they helped me so much. I had one-to-one mentoring. I went on a 2-day masterclass, which basically taught me everything I needed to know about running my business. The business side of it, it's just really difficult to move without any knowledge from being you to a company. I had a Facebook page. It wasn't doing what it was supposed to, and I went on a NBSL masterclass. It made me open my eyes to how digital technology can move my business forward and can get my name and my brand out there. I then went on to get professional photographs taken of myself, of my team, of my car, which then went on to a professional website. I got marketing done. I was able to get a new logo, and all this was done through the help of the NBSL, through them giving me the confidence to believe that I could do it, them teaching me how to do it, and also them giving me the funding. The website alone has brought in business tenfold to what it used to, or to what the Facebook page does. If you're running a business, a small business, any sort of business, the NBSL will be a great help and benefit to you. The funding process is very, very simple. You go online, you fill in a form, you tell them what you want to achieve from the funding that they're going to give you. You then have a meeting with a member of the NBSL and they talk you through every step of the process. You get your work done, you send an invoice, jobs are good.